Welcome to our guide on making money with Opus Clip in 2025. Today, we'll explore how you can repurpose your webinar content for profit. Repurposing your webinar content is crucial for maximizing your reach and monetization potential. It allows you to create multiple engaging formats from a single source. With Opus Clip, you can effortlessly transform long-form content into engaging short clips that grab attention and boost engagement. The first step is identifying and selecting key moments from your webinar that resonate with your audience. This is where the magic happens. From one webinar, you can create multiple monetizable content pieces such as quotes, infographics, and short videos to diversify your strategy. Once you have your clips, it's time to promote them across various social media platforms. Leverage their reach to drive traffic back to your main offerings. Consider various monetization options such as ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing to maximize your revenue potential. Let's look at success stories from users who have profited significantly by leveraging Opus Clip. Inspiration is everywhere. Beware of common mistakes such as neglecting your audience's preferences or failing to promote effectively. Learn from others to succeed. Looking ahead, content repurposing will continue to grow and evolve with new technologies, providing more opportunities for creators. So, are you ready to start monetizing your webinar content using Opus Clip? Let's take your content to the next level.